I think we need to cue Ann Murray. There's got to be a morning after. Okay, we dug out Sunday the 7th, Super Bowl Sunday. This is what a foot of snow looks like the next day. As you can see, there's no melting occurring yet. It's like 20 degrees out here. But got out in the car, no problem. Kind of pretty, quiet and pretty in the morning sunshine. Wasn't too bad. A foot's not too bad. I think they got like 24 inches in Philly. Fortunately, we made out better this time. When is spring? That's the question. When is spring?